folks, it's me again. Before you do anything, click all the buttons, do all that crap, add, like, subscribe, send to your friends, whatever. With that said, weekly what's new. What's new this week? Not much. I was snowed in. It took me, I shoveled about 6 feet of snow out there. Got halfway, got tired, and I left. I've basically been snowed out of here for about 4 days. Because I was too busy shoveling everywhere else and didn't work. Been working on the house, so trying to finish that up so I can get things done. It's kind of cold in here. My thermometer kind of froze. So it's that. With that said, I haven't really done much. The weather's getting warmer, so that will get me in here a lot sooner. It's been getting, instead of like minus 17, it's been like plus 7, plus 5, plus 2. So it's maple season around here. Maple season's good. Plus, I just bought a wood stove, so nothing like buying a wood stove in the winter. But who knows? I might get one cold night that we don't live in a house. With that said, what else is new? Not much really. Basically, I'm gonna do a video of all the parts I collected in the bin that are gonna be powder coated. I'm pretty sure I missed some in the pile. The pile's gone down. I gotta separate all. There's still a rear axle. Once I get this bike back together, I promise I won't be doing any more bike videos. Except you'll see me swamping around the yard. I'll start either modifying these fenders or I seen online some people selling some pretty decent fenders used, so I might do that. Or I'll just throw the other ones back on. But I do want to get this bike running and out of here. I got to transfer to my name, and I think I'm going to sell it because I don't really want a small bike. But do I want a small bike? I got to check the size of the tires because I'm going to change the front tire. It's got dry rot. The back ones hold air, but I'm changing the front one. Plus the brakes got to be fixed. I don't do cables for it. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna, I don't know. Plus I have to clean the gas tank. That's what I do. I'm gonna clean it out with muriatic acid, dump it out. And actually, no, I'm cleaning it with vinegar. I think my vinegar is probably frozen. Once I clean out with vinegar, I'll put a little bit of kerosene in it, wipe it through, and put it on there. I'll probably just give it I want to see if it leaks. I want to fill it up with vinegar, see if it leaks anywhere. If that works, I'm good. I've been working on these things. I have a couple of videos of those coming, or you'll probably have already seen them, or vice versa. With that said, not much really. Like I said, I'm going to be putting some bikes back together. I don't know where I'm going to set it up. The weather's getting warmer. There's scaffolding on my shed, so I might pull this or the other bike out and put it in the shed. Go and pick up another Honda 4-wheeler for my wife. Yay. She's going to enjoy that. She has like 3-wheelers, so I told her to get her a 4-wheeler. Now she can go ride with her friends. That's it, really. I haven't bought any tools. I found one vice grip I might, do a video of. And I did buy one other tool, which as soon as I find a place to use it. Oh, and I might buy another plasma cutter because I really miss having a plasma cutter. And they're so cheap. Those Arc Captain ones there? They're like $200. So I might try a Chinese plasma cutter. I read out about 10,000 reviews and people say it's not bad. So $200 versus a $1,000 piece of shit. I think I'll try the $200 one. I don't do much with it, so it's perfect. Plus it says it can cut 1 inch with a 220 plug. I have a 220. I have a 220. I have lots of 220. So yeah, I'm going to cut some 220. Maybe I'll cut my welding bench in half just for the fun of it. No, I won't. This metal plate cost me a lot of money. So, as the economy crashes, I'll still be making videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Toodles, that's it for today.